In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to update BIOS on your ASUS TUF Gaming B550M-PLUS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to safely update the BIOS on your ASUS TUF motherboard. This is specifically for this model, however, the general steps are also going to apply for any other models that you have. And the only requirement is that you have a USB flash drive like this one. It doesn't need a lot of storage, but you will have to load the BIOS files into this specific USB drive and then plug it into one of the available ports at the back of the motherboard. So first, get the files ready. You will be able to find them on the official ASUS website, so look for your specific model of TUF Gaming B550M. There are some distinct models such as the Wi-Fi 2, Wi-Fi 1, and one without Wi-Fi at all, so keep all of that in mind. Go over to the website, click on Support, Driver and Utility, BIOS and Firmware, and then download the latest BIOS. When you download the BIOS, you will have to extract it to a folder like this. Then you will grab these files and place them on the USB flash drive. If the files come in a zip like this, you can right click and then extract somewhere. You will have the BIOS file, which is the most important, and there might be a renamer. If needed, run this renamer file or check in the description if they ask you to rename the specific file. For example, they ask you to rename it like this. So copy it here, and if needed, go ahead and rename that file, although most of the time this will not be a strict requirement. Now, once you have renamed and you put the files into the flash drive, you will have to plug it into the back of the motherboard, and it needs to be on this specific USB port. So this specific model has the BIOS flashback function. This allows you to update the BIOS without even booting up your PC. So all that you have to do is place your pen drive on this specific port and then press the button for about 10 seconds. So press and hold the button for about 10 seconds with the USB drive connected and with the BIOS files inside. And as soon as you press it, the LEDs will start blinking, and all that you have to do is give this some minutes. Ensure that power is not cut out, or else the update will fail and the motherboard might be bricked. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS ASUS TUF Gaming B550M-PLUS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.